It's Tuesday Newsday on Mr. Unbox, and today I am updating you on some of the updates that we updated you on previously. It's an update-ception. These are the news we'll be covering today. As you can see, there are quite a lot, so let's just get started. reMarkable is rolling out a new firmware version for the paper tablet. This is version 1.2 point something, updated from version 0.4, so it's quite a big step. There are a lot of updates and improvements in this firmware version. They have changed icons, they have changed the way you select pens, but most importantly, there are some updates to battery management. A brand new sleep mode has been introduced, which allows the device to wake up instantly. This is quite useful. I'm very happy about it. I just got my update today and I see this as a major improvement. Vinci headphones are now on firmware version 1.2.3, and some of the updates includes updates to Amazon Alexa and Amazon Music. Previously there was a bug in Amazon Music which forced the Vinci headphones to stop playing after just one song. That should be fixed now, but comments on Facebook say that it now stops after 3 songs instead. Vinci also announced that they have one more update coming soon, which is an update focusing on battery management. Kiwano announced that their K01 is coming in on their final version very soon, which also means that they kind of admit that the one we got half a year ago was sort of a pre-release beta version. This would explain some of the caveats we found, but it doesn't excuse them. Kiwano hasn't said anything about updating these pre-release versions that they delivered, but we're trying to get an answer for them. Even with these updates, I still can't recommend that you buy the K01. If you look at the comments on our review video, you'll see a lot of people complaining that they can't get hold of Kiwano, they don't get their wheels delivered, they get blocked from conversations, and that Kiwano is a total rip-off and they stole this product design from someone else. So, bottom line, don't buy it. Shortly after our last Tuesday Newsday, Solowheel announced a new shipping date for their Solowheel Iota. But the funny thing is that they actually preponed the date. So now it's been delivered earlier than we expected. Well, actually it was supposed to be delivered last year, but then it got postponed, but still a very pleasant surprise. The Snoppa M1 smartphone gimbal, which we also reviewed earlier, is also getting an update. The latest version now has visual object tracking, kind of like the one you see on the latest DJI drones. And last, DJI has just announced a new drone. It's the DJI Mavic Air, which kind of looks like a mix between Mavic Pro and Spark. It's compact and foldable, and it comes with all DJI's advanced camera modes. If you want to know more about Mavic Air, you should visit our sister channel Drones and Electric Unicycles. They cover this in a lot more detail. Just click the card up there or find the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Unbox. We post these news every Tuesday, and in between we unbox some nice gadgets and consumer electronics and share our first impressions so you can get better insights before buying. That's it for this Tuesday Newsday. Like this video, subscribe, stay frosty people, and see ya!
Piece of engineering, the Mavic Air is a new milestone in flight performance, functionality, and design. An ultra-portable smart drone that is bound to turn people's imaginations into reality.